Hi, the Donor Participation Project had an interesting session last week about marketing automation. I wanted to share with you how to create your very first automated workflow. Imagine you can get from your CRM every week or every day a list of donors to your organization. Let me show it to you. So this is a very basic list. Imagine it has your name, a first name, so you can send an email to the person, gift amount, gift destination, gift date, and the donor's email. This, of course, is a very basic example, but it will help you have an idea. The Zapier dashboard, and Zapier is the tool that we're going to use to automate this workflow, lets you connect any app, basically, or any software product, or almost any software product to any other software product, and basically creates automated workflows. So for this one, we're going to connect Google Sheets with Gmail. And what we're going to do is that every time you add rows to that spreadsheet we just saw, it's going to send them a very nice email from a gift officer. You can decide to either send the email or leave it as a draft. We're going to do this one first. You just click on try it. Great. So the first thing you have to do is set up the Google Sheets account. Let me choose mine. What spreadsheet you want. And inside that spreadsheet, what worksheet? That's a test. Great, it's finding the data. Now let's see what happens in Gmail. So what we've asked it to do is create a draft. I like this option because you can review the draft and have, a second set of eyes. Maybe if it works very well, you can just tell it to send directly. You choose your Gmail account. And you enter the fields. So who are you sending it to? That's one of the fields in the spreadsheet. There you go. You can add a CC, a BCC. You can say who it's coming from. Which basically is me. You can put a from name. I'm just going to type that in so that it says it's coming from me. You can choose a plain email or an HTML email here. We're going to leave it as plain. Just type something up so just to show you. Your first name. And check this out. Okay. Forgot the subject line. Great. What I like about this is that you can choose a signature and it pulls it from your Gmail account. You can even add a label or an attachment, the email. Right? We're done. So it's going to do a test now. It's going to take that data that was in the spreadsheet and try to generate that email. It says, oh, already sent an email to you or created a draft. Let me go check. There you go. These type of plain text emails tend to work really well. And you have it saved as a draft. So after you've done this, the possibilities are really endless. If you have a weekly report that writes as a CSV, you can put it into a drive folder and have the adding of a file to a drive folder be the trigger for further automation. You can filter the automation, send some people one email, other people another type of email. You can even, if you don't have an email for a person that's on your gift remit, you can mail merge a file or use a third-party service that will send them a postcard. There's just so much potential to provide a great donor experience. I hope you enjoyed it.